Hi, welcome back to New Sensi channel. This time I want to share about powerful plugin for our WordPress site to ban domain lists or email lists because spammer is not good for our health inside. Okay, you can go to plugin and add new here. Not user but plugin add new. Sorry. Okay, you can type ban hammer. You can install this plugin and activate. After activate like this, you can just go to tools menu and choose ban hammer. Okay, this option I just blacklist domain with submitpad.org. You can using generic domain with add symbol in front of the domain. For example, it's like that. But if you want to be specific email, you can just add, for example, Anderson at gmail.com like that, and you can just save change. But in this case, I blacklist all domain in submitmed.org. So let's try to register using this domain. Okay, you can see there Anderson with submitmed.org at submitmed.org, and then using this captcha. Let's register. Now there is notification that your email has been banned from registration. Okay, but if we can change to Yahoo that we are not blocked, let's try to register again. Okay, there is registration complete. Please check your email. That's all about plugin that powerful to ban domain lists or email lists from our registration in WordPress site. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.